Hi everyone, welcome back to techmargadarshi. In this session, we're going to talk about one of the most important topics in software testing, bug tracking tools. Bug tracking tools help testers and developers record, manage, and track defects efficiently throughout the testing process. There are many tools available in the market, but in this session, we'll focus on the top bug tracking tools used in the industry, mainly JIRA and Bugzilla. JIRA is the most popular enterprise level tool widely used for issue tracking and agile project management. Bugzilla, on the other hand, is an open source tool known for its simplicity and transparency in managing bugs. So, let's explore each of these tools and understand how they help in improving the overall software quality. Now, let's start. What are bug tracking tools? Bug tracking tools help testers and developers record, manage, and track defects efficiently throughout the testing process. There are many tools available in the market, but in this session, we'll focus on the two most widely used ones, JIRA and Bugzilla. JIRA is the most popular enterprise level tool used for issue tracking and agile project management, making it a favorite among large organizations. On the other hand, Bugzilla is an open source tool known for its simplicity, transparency, and effective bug management. We're focusing on these two tools because they're widely adopted in the software industry and play a key role in improving software quality by ensuring every defect is tracked, managed, and resolved systematically. So, let's explore each of them in detail and understand how they make the testing process smoother and more efficient. Now let's talk about JIRA. JIRA is one of the most popular bug tracking and project management tools in the software industry. JIRA is developed by Atlassian and it's widely used to track issues, defects, and project tasks throughout the software development lifecycle. It supports agile methodologies such as Scrum and Kanban, making it a powerful choice for both small and large teams. JIRA helps teams plan, track, and release high quality software efficiently all in one centralized platform. In short, it's not just a bug tracking tool, it's a complete solution for managing software projects, sprint planning, and team collaboration. Now, let's explore some of the key features of JIRA that make it one of the most powerful tools in software testing and project management. The first one is issue tracking. JIRA allows you to create, assign, and track bugs or tasks easily across the entire team. Next, we have custom workflows. You can define how issues move through different stages, such as to do, in progress, and done, based on your project's process. JIRA also offers dashboards and reports where you can visualize project progress, sprint burn down charts, and defect statistics in real time. Another great feature is integration support. Jira works seamlessly with tools like Confluence, Bitbucket, Jenkins, and GitHub, making collaboration effortless. And finally, user permissions. You can control access levels and assign roles like tester, developer, or admin to ensure the right people have the right permissions. These features together make Jira a complete and flexible platform for managing projects and improving productivity. Now let's understand how JIRA works with a simple example of a bug life cycle. First, the tester logs a bug in JIRA, providing all the required details like summary, description, severity, priority, steps to reproduce, and any attachments or screenshots. Next, the bug is assigned to a developer for fixing. Once the developer starts working on it, they update the status to in progress and after fixing the issue, mark it as resolved. The tester then retests the issue. If the defect is fixed, the tester marks it closed. But if the issue still exists, it's reopened for further investigation. Throughout this process, JIRA's reports and dashboards provide a clear view of bug activities, project status, and overall software health. This structured workflow ensures smooth communication between testers and developers, helping teams maintain quality and transparency. Now, let's see how to log in and raise a bug in JIRA. To begin, open your browser and go to your JIRA URL, for example, atlassian.net. Enter your email ID and password registered with Atlassian and click Login. Once you're logged in, You land on the JIRA dashboard, which displays all your projects, boards, and assigned issues. From here, you can easily navigate to any project where you want to report a defect. Next, let's understand how to raise a bug in JIRA. First, from the top navigation bar, click on Projects and choose the project where the defect needs to be logged. For example, an online shopping website project, then click on the Create button at the top of the screen. This will open the Create Issue window. Here, you need to fill in a few important details: project name, issue type, select bug summary, a short and clear title like login button, not responding on Chrome browser description. Add the detailed steps to reproduce, expected result, and actual result priority. Set it as low, medium, high, or critical assignee. Assign it to a developer or leave it unassigned. Environment, mention OS, browser, or device details. And finally, attach any screenshots or logs for better understanding. Once all the details are entered, click Create. JIRA will now generate a unique bug ID, for example, PROJ-101. You can view this bug in your backlog, board, or issue search section and track its status as it moves through different stages. To do arrow in progress, arrow resolved, arrow closed. This systematic process ensures clear communication between testers and developers and helps teams maintain complete visibility of every defect. Now let's look at some of the key advantages of using JIRA. Highly customizable, JIRA offers flexible workflows and custom fields, so every team can design the process that fits their project best. Supports Agile and DevOps. It perfectly aligns with modern software development life cycles like Scrum, Kanban, and CI/CD pipelines. Centralized tracking. All project tasks, bugs, and testing activities are managed in one single place, ensuring transparency and traceability. Real-time reporting, dashboards, and reports help monitor sprint progress, bug trends, and overall software quality. Team collaboration, it bridges communication between QA teams, developers, and project managers, improving coordination and speeding up delivery. Overall, JIRA is a complete solution for managing projects, tracking defects, and ensuring smooth collaboration across teams. Next, let's talk about Bugzilla, one of the most trusted open source bug tracking tools developed by the Mozilla Foundation. Bugzilla helps testers and developers efficiently log, assign, and track defects throughout the software testing lifecycle. It provides clear visibility into the status of every bug, whether it's new, assigned, fixed, or verified. Thanks to its simplicity, reliability, and open source nature, Bugzilla is widely adopted by open source communities and mid sized organizations to manage their defect tracking process. Let's now explore some of its key features. Bugzilla offers several powerful features that make defect management simple and effective. It provides robust issue tracking, allowing testers to log, monitor, and update bugs efficiently. With advanced search and filtering options, you can easily find defects based on keywords, severity, status, or assignee. Bugzilla also sends automatic email notifications whenever a bug status changes, keeping everyone updated in real time. Additionally, it supports bug dependencies, helping teams understand how one issue impacts another. And with custom fields and workflows, Bugzilla can be tailored to match any project's unique process. Let's see how Bugzilla works with a simple bug lifecycle example. First, the tester logs a bug, including details like summary, description, severity, steps to reproduce, and any attachments. The bug is then assigned to a developer for fixing. As the developer works on it, the status is updated from in progress to resolved. The tester then retests the bug. If it's fixed, they mark it verified or closed. If not, the bug is reopened for further action. Throughout this process, Bugzilla's reports and dashboards provide a clear overview of defect trends and project health, ensuring transparency and efficient bug management. First, let's log into Bugzilla. Open your browser and navigate to your organization's Bugzilla URL, for example, bugzilla.mozilla.org. Click on the login button at the top right corner and enter your username or email along with your password. Once logged in, you'll land on the Bugzilla dashboard, which provides options like news, search, reports, and more, giving you full access to manage and track defects. Next, let's see how to raise a bug in Bugzilla. From the dashboard, click New or File a Bug. Select the product or module where the bug occurred, for example, an online shopping website or payment system. Fill in the bug details carefully. The product, component, version, severity, priority, a short summary, detailed description with steps to reproduce, and any attachments like screenshots or logs. Once all fields are filled, click Submit Bug. Bugzilla will generate a unique bug ID, for example, bug 10,543. You can view and track this bug under My Bugs or Search while developers update its status as it progresses, from new, assigned, in progress, resolved, verified to closed. This ensures all bugs are tracked transparently and resolved efficiently. Finally, let's look at the advantages of using Bugzilla. First, it is open source and free, which means there are no licensing costs, making it ideal for open source projects and smaller teams. Second, it is simple and transparent, providing a user friendly interface that's easy to learn and navigate. Third, Bugzilla is customizable, allowing teams to adapt workflows and fields according to their project requirements. Fourth, it offers email alerts and notifications, keeping all stakeholders informed automatically whenever a bug is updated. Finally, it has strong community support with regular updates and improvements driven by a large active user community. These advantages make Bugzilla a reliable, cost effective, and flexible solution for tracking and managing software defects efficiently. And that brings us to the end of this session on bug tracking tools. In this video, we explored two of the most widely used tools in the software industry, JIRA and Bugzilla. Both tools play a vital role in ensuring software quality, efficient defect management, and team collaboration. By understanding when and how to use them, you can streamline testing, improve communication between testers and developers, and maintain a high standard of software delivery. Let us know in the comments if you want a detailed video with screen presentation for JIRA or Bugzilla. Keep practicing, explore these tools hands-on, and implement what you've learned in your testing projects. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Margadarshi for more tutorials, tips, and sessions on software testing. Thank you for watching and happy learning.